How to book and purchase services on the platform, built with Kart step-by-step guide. Start by clicking on the All Categories menu to explore the available product categories. Afterward, click on the Service category drop-down to expand it and view the available subcategory options. Following that, click on Home Service to explore the available home maintenance solutions. Afterward, click on Carpentry Services to view the available home repair and renovation options. Next, click Add to include additional time slots for your carpentry service booking. Following this, click on March 3rd to select your preferred appointment date. Afterward, click on the 19-hour time slot to select this available appointment time. Then close the available slots modal to return to the main booking interface. Then click the Add to Cart button to add the service to your cart. Now click the Proceed to Pay button to complete your checkout and finalize the purchase. Following that, click the Checkout button to proceed with your order payment. Following that, click the Continue button to proceed to the payment review step. Then select the Wallet Credits checkbox to apply your available balance toward the payment. Now click the Pay 6th button to complete your purchase. You can choose your preferred payment method, such as Stripe, PayPal, or Wallet Credits, based on your convenience. Following this, click the Profile button to check your account and view the product order summary. Enjoyed the service booking demo? Explore more powerful features, seamless booking capabilities, and marketplace benefits on our website. Discover how Kart helps you deliver a smooth service purchasing experience from start to finish. Book a live demo.